Hi, I'm Maria Bailey of ilovepopcorn.com, and today we're talking about Popped Passion popcorn cakes. Say that 5 times fast. So I'm actually also the owner of Popped Passion, full disclosure and transparency. But what I want to talk about is a gluten-free birthday cake, which is here with Popped Passion. So with popcorn cakes, they can be customized with anything that you like. So this is actually gluten-free. It has gummy bears, M&Ms, and it has some Reese's in it as well. And I think I see some Skittles in here. So when you go to poppedpassion.com, you'll find that you can pick up to 4 different add-ons and pop-ins, as they call them, in your cake. The base is marshmallow, and you get 14 ounces of freshly popped popcorn that's all molded in this beautiful birthday cake. And then it's wrapped and presented to you and delivered with a bow. So check them out on poppedpassion.com. And now, no matter what you eat, you can eat your popcorn on your birthday. Life is better popped. I'm Maria Bailey.